all of you. I am Kritika Paliwal and the third chapter of our English literature is going on. That is Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, and I have given two explanation videos of this. This is the third one. So the last scene of the story is remaining. Okay, if you want a quick recap, I'll give you that. Okay, we'll recall the chapter in short. What happened? There is a boy named Jack. Okay, they have a cow named Milky White. One day Milky White gave no milk. Milky White ने एक दिन दूध नहीं दिया, तो there was nothing to sell in the market. They had no money. उनके पास पैसे नहीं थे उस दिन. Then they had no food. Okay, so Jack was going to sell the cow. On the way, he met with an old man. Okay, then the old man gave Jack 5 bean seeds. So he took the bean seeds. He took them home. He has given it to his mother. Then his mother got angry और उन्होंने वो bean seeds खिड़की से बाहर फेंक दिए. Jack went to sleep. Jack फिर सोने चला गया. Okay, with a sad face. Then overnight what happened? A big beanstalk has sprung up. एक बहुत बड़ा सा beanstalk sprung up हो गया था. ठीक है? Then Jack climbed up the beanstalk till it reached the sky. Jack उतना ऊपर गया जब तक वो sky तक नहीं पहुंचा था. उधर उसने देखा कि there is a big house. Okay, there is a big house. There is a road leading to a big house. And that big house is of whom? That big house is of giant and his wife. उस big house में कौन रहते थे? एक बड़ा सा एक giant रहता था और उसकी wife रहती थी जो भी एक giant है. Okay, Jack came to the woman, the giant lady. Okay, उसने कहा I'm very hungry. Please give me something to eat. Lady लेकर गई उन्हें उनके kitchen में, giant's kitchen. Okay, so then she has given Jack cheese and milk to eat. At the time giant came, तभी जायंट आ गया. ओके, तो लेडी ने फटाफट से जैक को ओवन में छुपा दिया. ओके, वेयर डिड शी हाइड जैक? शी हिड जैक इन द ओवन. ओके, देन व्हाट हैपेंड? Giant, after having breakfast, Giant told his wife to bring what? A hen that lays what? Some golden eggs. Okay, Giant ने अपनी वाइफ से कहा मुझे वो वाली hen ला कर दो. कौन सी वाली? जो golden eggs देती है. तो जायंट ने ला दिया. जैसे ही जायंट ने उस हेन को बोला ले, LAY ले. ओके, जैसे ही जायंट ने कहा ले, तो उस हेन ने गोल्डन एग दिया. ठीक है, जैक ये सब देख के बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गया कि वाओ, आसमान में इतनी सारी अच्छी चीज़ें भी है. ठीक है, सो जैसे ही जायंट सो गया, जैक ओवन से बाहर निकला. ही टुक द हेन विथ हिम एंड ही रैन डाउन. ओके, वो भाग गया वहाँ से और अपने घर में आ गया बीनस्टॉक से उतरकर नीचे वो हेन लेकर. जैसे ही हैन उसने अपनी मम्मी को दिखाया तो हिज मदर वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. व्हेन जैक सेड ले, जैसे ही जैक ने उस हेन को बोला ले, तो उस हेन ने गोल्डन एग दिया. तो उस गोल्डन एग की हेल्प से लाइक ऐसे वो डेली गोल्डन एग ले लेता है, तो गोल्डन एग की हेल्प से उनकी अभी लाइफ थोड़ी कंफर्टेबली जा रही है. बट थोड़े टाइम बाद जैक अगेन थॉट that there must be something else in the sky also, like the golden egg. There must be some other magical things also. Sky में जैसे golden egg मिला मुझे, golden hen मिली मुझे, सॉरी golden hen नहीं, जैसे मुझे hen मिली जो golden egg देती है, वैसे ही sky में और भी बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें होंगी, magical चीज़ें होंगी. So now let's see what happened next. Okay, page number 18. Please open that. Please open page number 18. Okay. So I am starting the reading of the chapter on page number 18. Sorry, there is a slip of tongue. Please see the last paragraph. So one morning. Okay. On page number 18, please see this last paragraph. Okay, I am starting my reading. So one morning he climbed up again till he reached the giant's house. He hid behind a bush and waited. When the woman came out to get some water, he crept into the house and got into a big copper pot. He hadn't been there long when he heard. Now come on to the next page. When he heard thump, thump, thump. And in came the giant and his wife. As usual, the giant ate his breakfast. Then he called out to his wife, "Wife, please bring me the golden harp." So she bought the harp and put it on the table before him. "Sing," he said, and the golden harp sang most beautifully. It went on singing till the giant fell asleep. Okay. Now Jack was becoming लालची this time. Okay. First time तो वो सिर्फ ये देखने के लिए गया था कि now what ये beanstalk कहाँ तक जाती है. Then he discovered something like a road and a big house and the giant and the hen that lays the golden eggs. Okay, all these things happen. But this time he knows that the beanstalk will lead me to the giant's house and there I will find magical things. Okay, अभी उसको पता है कि beanstalk मुझे लेके जाएंगे giant के house में और वहाँ पर मुझे कुछ तो और मैजिकल मिलेगा. इट मीन्स वो थोड़ा लालची हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ही इज बिकमिंग लालची. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड. वन मॉर्निंग, ओके, वन मॉर्निंग व्हाट हैपेंड, ही क्लाइम्ड अप अगेन टिल ही रीच्ड द जायंट हाउस. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर बीनस्टॉक, राइट. दिस इज आवर, नॉट आवर beanstalk, this is Jack's beanstalk. There are some leaves also क्योंकि beanstalk है. ओके, so Jack climbed and climbed till he reached the giant's house. Jack फिर से चढ़ा. ओके, Jack climbed again. Jack climbed up again. So Jack is now here. Once again we got into the giant's house. This is giant's house. Okay. So one morning he climbed up till he reached the giant's house. Now he hid behind a bush. Okay, bush क्या होती है? जैसे see, this is the house. Now here around the house there are so many small plants. Okay, there are so many small plants like this. जो झाड़ियाँ होता है, we call bush in हिंदी झाड़ियाँ. तो इस तरह की जो झाड़ियाँ थी, bush. So Jack came and hid behind in the bushes. Okay, Jack यहाँ कहीं झाड़ियों में छुप गया. और वो क्यों छुपा? So that nobody can see him again. Okay. When the woman came out to get some water, जैसे ही जो woman है, giant's wife, right? जैसे ही she came out, जैसे ही वो बाहर गई पानी लेने के लिए, what did Jack do? Jack crept into the house and got into a big copper pot. वैसे ही Jack यहाँ से निकल के घर के अंदर घुस गया. Okay, crept. This is a new word for you. C-R-E-P-T. Crept. What does this mean? It means moved quietly and slowly. Okay. So Jack crept means वो धीरे धीरे गया. Moved quietly, चुपचाप, and slowly, धीरे धीरे, जैसे चोर जाते हैं, right? So as similarly like the thieves enter in a house quietly and quickly. Oh sorry, and slowly, quietly and slowly, चुपचाप धीरे से Jack entered the house. Okay, so that nobody can see him obviously. And then he got into a big copper pot. और ऐसे एक बड़ा सा copper pot था, like the pots that we usually have in our house. Big copper pot. Okay, so he got here inside. Jack, see there is a big copper pot like this. Okay, एक copper का बना हुआ बड़ा सा बर्तन है, उसमें Jack was hiding. Okay, Jack was hiding in a pot like this, in a copper pot. So Jack छुप गया फिर, ठीक है. He hadn't been there long when he heard. ज़्यादा टाइम वो छुपा नहीं. इससे पहले उसने वो जैसे ही छुपा, उसने थोड़े टाइम के बाद सुना thump thump thump. And what is this thump thump thump? This is the sound of giant's entry. जैसे ही giant enter करता है, the whole house begin to shake again. The whole house begin to tremble again. Okay, so as soon he heard this sound thum 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 and this is the sound of the giant. Okay, जैसे ही giant ऐसे चलता है तो that is the sound of giant's walk. And in now I am reading page number 19, the same para, first para I am reading. And then came the giant and his wife. और Jack was hiding here and giant and his wife came. Giant और उसकी wife दोनों घर में आ गए. Okay. Then he called out to his. अभी उन्होंने जैक को देखा नहीं है. Okay, Jack is still hiding. Now what happened? As usual, the giant ate his breakfast. As usual, giant ate his breakfast. उसने उसका breakfast खाया. As usual, after having breakfast, what did giant do? He called out to his wife. उसने उसकी wife से कहा, wife, please bring me the golden harp. Okay, wife. Now this time, what did giant want? Giant want a golden harp. Now harp is, let me explain you what a harp is. Harp, it is a musical instrument. Harp is a type of musical instrument. Okay, see, you can see it on page number 19 also. There is a harp like this. Okay, a golden colored harp. Okay, all the things are golden there. So there is a golden harp. So harp, it is like this. Okay, it is like this and the face is made there. Okay, so harp is a type of instrument that has string in it. String means तार. जैसे तार होता है, जैसे like guitar and violin, they have string in it. They have strings in them. So similarly, harp is also a type of instrument. जैसे वीणा, guitar, violin, strings. Okay, the strings are the main thing in the instrument. So similarly, harp is also instrument like this. So musical instrument. So now, what type of an instrument it is? It is a golden harp. Okay, what kind of a harp it is? It is a golden harp. Now golden here means सोने का तो है ही, बट कुछ मैजिकल भी है. ओके, सो जैसे ही जायंट की वाइफ ने गोल्डन हार्प लाके दिया, व्हाट डिड जायंट डू? ही पुट इट ऑन द टेबल बिफोर हिम. जायंट पुट द हार्प ऑन द टेबल बिफोर हिम. ओके, देन ही सेड, जैसे हेन को कहा था ले, तो इट लेड द गोल्डन है, वैसे ही हार्प से कहा सिंग, मतलब जायंट खुद हार्प नहीं बजा रहा है, उसने जायंट ने हार्प से कहा सिंग. ओके, सिंग मीन्स गाओ, बजाओ. ओके, जैसे ही उसने कहा सिंग, द गोल्डन हार्प सैंग मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुली. गोल्डन हार्प वैसे ही म्यूजिक प्ले करने लगा, जैसे ही जायंट ने कहा सिंग, वैसे ही गोल्डन हार्प म्यूजिक प्ले करने लगा. ओके, ये वैसे ही है जैसे आप इमेजिन करो, आप अपने हॉल में सोफा पर यू आर सिटिंग, टीवी इज ऑफ जस्ट नाउ, टीवी अभी ऑफ है और आप कह रहे हैं टीवी से कम ऑन स्टार्ट. टीवी से आपने सिर्फ कहा स्टार्ट और टीवी स्टार्ट हो गई. नाउ आप बोल रहे हैं प्ले द कार्टून नेटवर्क चैनल, तो टीवी ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग कार्टून नेटवर्क चैनल. सो दिस इज ऑल व्हाट हैपनिंग. ऑटोमेटिकली आफ्टर हियरिंग द वॉइस ऑफ द जायंट या आफ्टर हियरिंग द वर्ड, मैजिकल वर्ड, तो मैजिकल वर्ड क्या है हार्प के लिए? सिंग. जैसे जायंट ने कहा सिंग, तो दिस हार्प started playing the song. Okay, now this is something very magical. Then it went on singing till the giant fell asleep. This harp, this golden harp, this magical harp, it went on singing till the giant fell again sleeping. Okay, till the giant fell asleep. वो तब तक म्यूजिक बजाता रहा जब तक जायंट सो नहीं गया. Okay, then now I am reading the other paragraphs. Okay, paragraph number 2, page number 19. Then Jack quickly came out of the pot, picked up the golden harp and started to run. But this time the giant woke up. Jack ran as fast as he could and the giant came rushing after. Down climbed Jack and after him climbed the giant. Jack climbed down and down till he was very close to his home. He called out to his mother, "Mother, please bring me an axe quickly." Okay, so I have read 2 paragraphs. Paragraph number 2 and 3. out of the pot. Abhi Jack is hiding here. Giant and his table is here. Okay, here is the harp. Jack इधर pot में छुपा है. टेबल यहाँ पर है. यहाँ पर ये हार्प रखा है. This magical harp. Okay. जैक जैसे ही जायंट सोया वैसे ही जैक बाहर निकला. मौके का फायदा उठाकर उसने he picked up the golden harp. उसने गोल्डन हार्प को उठाया. वैसे ही जैसे उसने हेन को उठाया और वो लेकर आ गया था नीचे, ठीक है, वैसे ही उसने गोल्डन हार्प को उठाया एंड स्टार्टेड टू रन और भागना चालू किया. बट दिस टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड, दिस टाइम जायंट वोक अप. इस बार उसकी किस्मत अच्छी नहीं थी क्योंकि जायंट जाग चुका था. उसे आवाज़ आ गई थी जैक की. जायंट इस बार जाग गया था. नाउ सी व्हाट विल हैपन. ओके, जैक रैन एज फास्ट एज ही कुड. जैक इतना तेज भागा जितना वो भाग सकता था. ओके, एंड जायंट केम रशिंग आफ्टर. रशिंग आफ्टर, आई गेस इट्स अ न्यू वर्ड फॉर यू. और जायंट उसके पीछे पीछे भागा. ओके, रशिंग आफ्टर, RUSHING, रशिंग, AFTER. रश मतलब भागना, आफ्टर मीन्स पीछे. तो रशिंग आफ्टर जायंट. जायंट वाज रशिंग आफ्टर हु? Jack. Okay, so giant came rushing after. So now what happened? Now see the whole scenario. What is happening? Now this is the big giant and this is our little Jack. Okay, Jack ran and came down and climbed down the beanstalk. Jack ran और he climbed down the beanstalk. वो beanstalk से नीचे आ गया. Giant was also running behind Jack. Giant भी Jack के पीछे भाग रहा था. He also was following Jack and he also was coming down the beanstalk. Then what happened? Jack climbed down and down till he was very close to his home. Jack नीचे उतरता गया और जैसे ही अपने घर के थोड़ा पास आया, what happened? He called out to his mother. Okay, उसने उसकी मम्मा से बोला, Mother, please bring me an axe quickly. Okay, mother, please bring me an axe quickly. Axe, what is axe? कुल्हाड़ी, जिससे आप लकड़ी काटते हैं, जिससे पेड़ काटे जाते हैं. That is not a good thing, but कुल्हाड़ी, axe. Axe means कुल्हाड़ी. Okay, so what happened? He called out to his mother. Mother, please bring me an axe quickly. जैसे वो बीन स्टॉक पर था, घर पास में था और उसने मम्मी से बोला, मुझे एक कुल्हाड़ी जल्दी से दो. Bring me an axe quickly. Okay, then he cut the beanstalk into two. Giant is here. बहुत चित्र खत्म हो चुका है. Okay बेटा, just let me make it clear for you. This is a beanstalk. Giant is here. Okay, Jack's house is here. Jack is here near the house. Jack घर से पास में है. Mother has given the axe to Jack. Mother ने कुल्हाड़ी दे दी. Jack ने beanstalk को two parts में कट कर दिया. Jack cut the beanstalk into two parts. Then what happened? Then giant fell down with a thud. Okay, I am reading the other paragraph, the last paragraph that is remaining. Jack cut the beanstalk into two. The giant fell down with a thud. Jack showed his mother the golden harp. She was delighted. From then on, Jack and his mother lived comfortably and happily ever after. Then what happened? See, जैसे ही जैक ने बीनस्टॉक को दो पार्ट्स में कट किया, जैक तो अपने घर पहुंच गया था, बट जायंट बीनस्टॉक कटने के बाद व्हाट हैपेंड? जायंट जोर से गिरा और थड करके आवाज आई. ओके, जायंट फेल डाउन विद अ थड. देन ओके, नाउ जायंट्स किस्सा इज ऑल ओवर. अब जायंट नहीं है, अब जैक है, उनकी मदर है और वो हार्प है. सो जैक हैज गिवन द हार्प टू हिज मदर. जैक ने वो गोल्डन हार्प अपनी मॉम को दिखाया एंड शी वाज डिलाइटेड. Delighted means very happy. She was delighted. Okay, Jack's mother was delighted. Delighted means very happy. Okay, so then from then on, उसके बाद से Jack and his mother lived happily ever after. Jack और उसकी जो mother है वो खुशी खुशी रहने लगी. ठीक है? Why खुशी खुशी रहने लगे? Because they have a hen that lays golden eggs. उनके पास एक hen है जो golden eggs देती है, जो सोने के अंडे देती है. अब उनके पास एक harp भी है जो सिंग बोलते ही म्यूजिक बजाना शुरू कर देता है. Okay, so all this was प्रूविंग टू बी अ सोर्स ऑफ मनी फॉर देम। ये सब उनके लिए एक सोर्स ऑफ मनी हो गया था जिससे वो अब अपना घर आराम से चला पा रहे थे। ओके, सो दे वर लिविंग कंफर्टेबली एंड दे लिव्ड हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर। दिस इज अ फेरी टेल adopted from Joseph Jacob's fairy tales by the same name. So who wrote this fairy tale? Joseph Jacob. Okay, so I hope this story was interesting to you and I hope you have understood the story of Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, so I just want you to read the chapter and show me your doubts, whether you are having doubts in reading or understanding or wherever you are having doubt. अगर समझना है कुछ भी तो you can ping me up on my WhatsApp, और अगर कुछ doubt है, कुछ पढ़ते नहीं आ रहा तो you can also ping me up on WhatsApp for the same reason. Then let's move on to some exercise. Okay, this is one exercise that will revise full chapter for us. Okay, so please open page number 20. Children, please kindly open page number 20 and sharp your pencils. Okay, so I guess now this is visible to you. Page number 20 and there is a reading comprehension exercise. I am reading the question for you and then we will solve it. Okay. Number these sentences in the order that they appear in the story. Now there are so many sentences, बहुत सारे sentences दिए हैं, 6 in total. So we have to arrange them, we have to number these sentences in the order they appear in the story. जैसे जैसे ये sentences story में आते गए हैं वैसे वैसे हमें उन्हें orderly arrange करना है. That means पहले क्या हुआ, उसके बाद में क्या हुआ, okay, like that. So please on page number 20 this exercise is given in this book, English pressure book. Okay, so see, first one is done for you. One morning Milky White gave no milk. Okay, this is the first one. That means at the first this thing happened. Right now in the beginning this happened. One morning Milky White gave no milk. एक दिन Milky White ने बिल्कुल कोई milk दिया ही नहीं. Then let's see what happened next. So Jack's mother asked him to sell the cow in the market. Let's look at the first sentence. So Jack's mother asked him to sell the cow in the market. इसलिए Jack की mother ने उसे कहा कि go and sell the cow in the market. Is this true, right? So this is what that happened next. Number 2. Write 2 in the box. Okay. Then next is what Jack's mother threw the seeds out of the window. नहीं, इससे पहले भी कुछ हुआ था, right? On his way, Jack met an old man. So रास्ते में, now Jack's mother asked him to sell the cow in the market. अभी Jack की mom ने उसे कहा कि cow बेच कर आओ market में, तो he was going. Okay, he had gone that time. Now on his way, रास्ते में he met an old man. So I guess this is the correct sentence. Put number 3 before it. Put this sentence on number 3. Okay, write 3 in the box provided to you. On his way, Jack met an old man. Now let's see what happened. Then Jack took the seeds from the man. The last sentence. See the last sentence of your book. Okay, the last sentence. Jack took the seeds from the man and went back home happily. So जैसे ही उसे he met an old man, जैसे ही उसे old man मिला, उसने उनसे seeds ले लिए, and he has given Milky White to them. Okay. Then Jack took the seeds from the old man. Jack ने seeds ले लिए and went back home happily. और खुशी खुशी घर आया, right? So this is what that has happened. So put number 4 in this in the box given to you. Then the next morning, नहीं, Jack's mother threw the seeds out of the window. Jack की mother ने जैसे ही घर लाया वो seeds, Jack की mom threw the seeds out of the window. उसने विंडो के बाहर सीड्स को फेंक दिया. सो पुट नंबर 5 in the box. The next morning the seeds had sprung up into a big beanstalk which went up and up till it reached the sky. So next morning what happened? जैसे Jack's mom threw the seeds out of the window. The next morning a big beanstalk has been sprung up. Right? एक बड़ा सा beanstalk garden में लग गया था. So this is the last thing that happened according to these sentences. Okay, so this is how you have to do this exercise. If the words are not clear, I am writing it in a big size for you. This is the serial, you can write it. 2, 5, 3, 1, 6 and 4. 2, 5, 3, 1, 6, 4. Okay. So what have we done today? We have finished our chapter 3 explanation portion. Okay, I have finished explanation. You have finished the understanding of the chapter. Now from the next lecture onwards, we will solve the book exercise first and then we will jump on to the hard words, word meanings and the question and answers. So this is it for today. Please let me know if there are any doubts, and if there are any doubts you can ask the doubts to me. So this is it for today's lecture. The time is over. Please keep studying, read the chapter, understand the chapter. It's a very nice fairy tale. Tell this fairy tale to your small brother and sister, or tell this fairy tale to your parents also. They will also enjoy this. So till then, bye bye. We'll meet at the next time.